Hello my YouTube family, welcome back to my another video. Today I will going to review the Prestige electric kettle. And the MRP of this kettle is 1445. The kettle has 1.8 liter capacity. The innovative design allows you to pour the water easily, and it has a wide mouth for easy cleaning. It comes with elegant handle with single touch lid locking for convenient use and safely. You can get a user's manual in this packet. You can get a 360-degree swivel base for user's convenience and portability. It has an automatic cut-off when water has boiled that ensures safety and power saving. You can boil up to 1.8 liter of water in just 7 to 8 minutes for your tea, coffee, pasta, Maggi, instant soup and much more. Thanks for watching.